Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Airmee brand. There's solar outdoor lights, 106 LEDs on each one of these, super bright spotlights. They're IP68 waterproof, which means that you can dump these in water up to 1.5 meters, so you have to worry about intrusion of water or dust or dirt into the electronics. They're auto off, and they're 6500 daylight white, and this is a 2-pack. This company provides great support. If you have any issues, just contact them and they'll help you out. Now this is one of the leading companies that produces this high quality LED outdoor light. And again, it's 106 LEDs. They're a little bit larger in size than other ones on the die pad right there. And you also notice that the lens is a convex shape and it produces a really nice wide balanced light on there, and it has seals all the way around, and the solar panel is fixed on there, as you can tell. And this is a very efficient solar panel. It'll work up to about 22% efficiency, and sometimes other brands use as low as 15%. Internally, there's a 2200 milliamp hour battery in here, which is really a large battery. You're going to get about 6 hours on high and 12 hours on low of light, and we're going to show you how to turn the high and low on. These will come on automatically when they sense that there is no light outside. And in terms of mounting it, they do have a screw package right here. So if you look at the back of this, you can unturn this right here, and then you have the actual mount capability right here. This unscrews so that you can mount this on a wall, just like that, using the included hardware. So you got the 2 holes right there, and you can mount it directly on the wall. You have to make sure that this is facing the sun, and the sun's going to travel east and west. And you also don't want to put them close to each other so that one affects the other, because then this light will not allow this one to come on. So just use a little common sense when you install it. You could also use these included stakes, and they just plug right into there like that. And then you could stand this up and put it in your yard just like that. We're going to be showing that. We're going to be installing it in my yard. Charge this for 2 days in the sun before you attempt to turn them on and use them. So let's take a look at the operation of this. It's very simple. On the side here, there is a sealed switch. So to know that it's on, what you could do is you could block the light on the bottom right here. So when I turn it on, you see that the unit comes on. So that's low. You click it one more time, and that's high. And another time, it's off. So you have low, high, and off. If you turn it on and then it senses light, you can see it goes right off, just like it's supposed to. Very simple operation. And let's do this one right here, same thing. We're going to put it so we're blocking the panel, and let's put it on high right there. So very effective, and we're going to show them outside, show how bright they are. So to give an example of how bright it is, I'm in total darkness, and I have it on the high setting, and I'm in my hallway right here, and it's lighting up the whole hallway quite easily. So here they are, right in front of my house, and there's really no light here other than a really dim street light. So you can see they're lighting up the whole walkway right there, which is the entrance to my house. And of course they only come on when they're needed at night. So they're very functional and very bright. So what do I think about the Airmee brand? They're solar outdoor lights with 106 super bright LEDs, and the automatic on and off, and the convex wide angle lens on there, and the ability to mount them in the ground or on against the wall. Nice product. These are bright, and they're totally waterproof. That large 2200 milliamp battery is going to let this thing run for 6 to 12 hours. And again, the dye on here, the LEDs are larger on this unit and they produce more light. I think you're really going to like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.